Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to grow guava plants by air layering and a simple trick to get your first guava fruit faster. By faster, I mean that within 4 months the fruit will be ready for harvest, which is pretty cool. I discovered this trick by accident and I think it's worth sharing. I'll provide some tips for success along the way, so stick with me as I break it down. The first key for success is selecting the right branch on the guava plant. You have to choose a branch that has flower buds, fully open flowers, or young fruits. This is critical to guarantee early harvest. Once the branch is selected, make 2 cuts on the side of the branch that has no leaves as shown using 1.5 liter bottle as a guide. The distance between the 2 cuts should be 1 inch or more. Remove the back tissue within the 2 cuts. Scrape off any remaining back tissue to expose the woody tissue of the branch. Now, prepare the bottle to be used for the air layering as demonstrated in the following steps. Once the bottle is ready, you can wrap it around the guava branch and hold it in place with tape. The next key step for success is to use a soil mix with good water retention. I normally use a 1:1:1 mixture of sawdust, commercial potting mix, and river sand. Mix them thoroughly. Fill the bottle with a soil mix, ensuring good contact with the guava branch. Water the soil mix, making sure that the water seeps to the bottom. Next is to seal the top using tape. This will ensure maximum water retention. If the selected branch is growing horizontally, you may have to provide some form of support to prevent the branch from breaking off. If you are enjoying this video, smash the like button to register your approval. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. 1 month later, the flower buds would have developed into little fruits. Now, here is the actual trick to get the guava fruits faster. It has to do with time. The normal period for roots to be developed for air-layered guava plants is 45 to 60 days. However, if there are any flowers or fruits on the plant, they will not be mature or ready for harvest yet. If you cut the plant at this stage, although the clone plant will survive, all the fruit and flowers will die. This is because the root system will not be developed well enough to sustain development of the fruits. To overcome this, you have to wait for a few more months. At this stage, the fruits on the plant will be mature and ready for harvest. You should check periodically to give it water if the soil mix becomes too dry. After about 4 months, the guava fruits would have matured, and as indicated earlier, they are ready to be harvested. I cover the guava fruits with net bags to protect them from fruit flies. The roots of the air-layered guava plant would also be fully developed and can therefore be unwrapped. You can now cut the branch for transplanting into a pot of your choice. You should water the roots if the soil mix is dry. Transplant into a 20-liter container with holes created at the bottom for drainage. Fill the container with soil mix made of 20% poultry manure and 80% topsoil. After transplanting, you should harvest all the fruits. You can choose to prune the plant a bit, but this is not absolutely necessary so long as the fruits and any remaining flowers have been removed. Water the plant thoroughly and keep it in a partially shaded area for a few days before moving into its permanent place. If you live in a temperate climate, you have to move the plant indoors during winter to ensure survival. New flowers and fruits will start developing within 3 to 4 months. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Adios!